Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can apply screen protector on this device. So at the first we have to turn off our device. And after that we can open box with screen protector. So as you can see, here we got the temporary glass, two wipes, wet and dry, and also the stickers to take off the dust from the screen. So let's start from cleaning our screen. Open wet wipe and then take dry. And as you can see right now, our screen is in good condition, so I can recommend you to take off this sticker and put it on your finger. Right now, maybe you are going to use it if some piece of the dust pops on the screen, but right now it's cool. So let's grab our screen protector. And right now let's start from the top section of the screen. So put it like that. And then start pressing with your finger. Keep holding at the bottom part. And right now we are able to put it at the bottom, and then as you can see, the breath is coming out of, the air is coming out of our glass. And right now we can use our wipe to clean that shit. I don't know how to call it properly. Okay, and right now we can turn on our device. And as you can see right now, we can easily use our device. So that's how we can apply the screen protector on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!